Good morning and best wishes for all of us. First of all, let us give thanks to God Almighty, who today has given His mercy and grace so that we can gather in good health until now, so that we are still given the opportunity to be able to gather of this place. On this occasion, allow me to deliver a speech about the meaning of education and the importance of education for the future. The greatest goal for the progress of a nation is education. Education will never be separated from the key to success in all aspects of life. Education is a learning process to improve knowledge and skill. Education is not only a process of transferring knowledge from educator to student but also aims to improve human resources and produce intelligent generation of nation. Education plays an important role in the life of the nation and states because this is where the ideal and future of a nation will be passed on by its younger generation. Education is a field that we are currently pursuing together, both as student and as education provider. We are all equal in the age of education. We are all united in a lifelong education ecosystem. That is, every time and everywhere we all must be the driving force of education, both on a small and large scale. The importance of education in the life of the nation rests on the fact that the development of human resources is the biggest factor in the success of a social system, both in the economic, social, political, cultural and other main sectors. An educated society will lead us to a better life. A real example can be seen in Japan. How did the country get back on its feet quickly after its devastation when the atomic bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki? The education sector is one of the main things they pay attention to after the humanitarian disaster. Also, even though they lost the Second World War, they managed to become one of the countries with the strongest economies in the world. This can be described in one of the articles published by Britannica, one of the world's education institutions, which states that after its defeat in the Second World War, there have been major reforms and developments in the Japanese education system. With the small slivers of example, I think it's enough to be a strong argument about the importance of education. All aspects of life in this world are never separated from the progress of education as well, not only in terms of knowledge, but from character education and the mental progress of society as well. Unfortunately, not all of today's young generation understand the importance of education. They wear uniform and claim to go to school, even though they are wasting valuable time just hanging out in stock or doing dangerous things. They do not think about the cost that have been spent by their parents who hope their children can gain knowledge and become successful. Education is also a way to achieve your goals, and your dream of becoming a doctor, diplomat, and president will not be achieved without quiet education. Education is the easiest way to break the chain of destruction because poverty is related to weakness. But as long as there are people who are not serious in their talks, they will continue to undermine the Indonesian nation. Adequate education makes people easier to get information and smarter. This makes educated people get better opportunity to get higher career position and wider job opportunities, so that their welfare is also better than people who are not educated. Given the importance of education for the life on the nation and states, as well as our personal life, we make the best use of our time and prepare ourselves to achieve the highest education possible so that the dreams we dream of are achieved. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it's clear enough what I'm saying this time. Let's continue to remember and create good and educational education together in Indonesia. That's all I can say. If there are words that are less pleasing and there are wrong words, I apologize. If someone is good in the field, can we take a shower? If there is a long life, hopefully we will meet again. That's all. Thank you for your attention.